This is the 2019 Mazda CX-9 GT with all-wheel drive. It is a former executive demo here at Park Mazda, which means huge discounts off retail pricing. You have your included accessories, such as 3M protection on the hood, fenders, and side mirrors, as well as all-weather mats. You have just over 8,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood, you have your 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And on the interior, you have your power mirrors, which are also power folding, your power locks and power windows, with storage along the bottom of the door. Down below, you have your power seat controls for the driver's seat with lumbar support. And you have your two memory seat settings there for the driver's seat. Your interior seating is a black leather. We'll take a look inside. This Mazda is push button start, so we'll start it up. You can see there we have 8,452 kilometers on the odometer. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights and fog lights. Beside that, you have your button for your power liftgate, your 360 camera button, parking sensor on and off button, lane departure, and your traction control buttons. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls, and on the right-hand side, you have your Mazda radar cruise controls. On your display here, you have your AM/FM radio, as well as satellite radio, standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your backup camera there, along with your front and rear parking sensors, 360 cam there. Down here you have your heated and vented driver and passenger seating, as well as your heated steering wheel button. This is an automatic transmission with your sport switch there, along with your HMI commander and your electronic parking brake. In your center console here, you have additional storage, where you'll find your SD card slot, two USB ports, and auxiliary in. Up on top, you have your moonroof. As you can see, the interior is in great shape. You have your auto-dimming rear view mirror there with your built-in garage door opener. And on the exterior, you have your tires on 20-inch alloy rims by Mazda. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll go to the rear of the vehicle. You have your CX-9 and all-wheel drive badges there, as well as your i-ACTIV technology badge there. And on the CX-9, you do have your power liftgate. So if you just hold down the button there on the key fob, it'll open right up for you. You have your third row seating here in the CX-9. Power outlet there on the right-hand side, as well as storage underneath here. The rear seats do fold down for extra storage. Just pulling the lever here, you can push the seat down. Same to the left-hand side. Just like that. Then you have extra storage space for whatever you need to carry around. And in the rear interior, you have your power windows with storage along the bottom of the door. You also have your pull-up sunshades here on the right and left-hand rear doors. You have your all-weather mats there, storage along the back of the passenger seat, as well as the driver's seat. You have your rear climate controls there, as well as your rear heated seats. As you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. In the middle, you have your fold-down console with cup holders, as well as additional storage there, with two USB ports to charge your devices. And to access your third row seating, pull up on the tab here and push the seat forward, and then you have access to your third row seating. You can see you have your carpeted floor mats there, still in the plastic. So that is the 2019 Mazda CX-9 GT with all-wheel drive, a former executive demo here at Park Mazda. Again, that means huge discounts off retail for you. If you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form, come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.